While AI models are trained on massive datasets, that doesn't mean they're always correct. In fact, AI errors can sometimes be so surprising they make headlines. Have you ever noticed an AI generating a response that's completely off or sounds made up? This phenomenon is called an AI hallucination, and it's a common quirk, even for the smartest AI systems. In this video, we'll explore what AI hallucinations are, why they happen, and how you can recognize when AI might be giving you an inaccurate response. An AI hallucination happens when an AI model generates information that sounds convincing but is actually incorrect or completely fabricated. Think of it as the AI filling in the blanks with guesswork. For example, if you ask an AI about a rare historical event it wasn't trained on, it might invent plausible-sounding details instead of admitting it doesn't know. AI models like ChatGPT generate answers based on patterns in the data they were trained on. However, not all AI systems are trained on real-time data. Many have training data cutoff dates. For instance, ChatGPT's initial version had a 2021 cutoff, meaning it wouldn't have information on events after that year. When asked about anything more recent, the AI might try to be helpful by creating information rather than saying, "I don't know." This tendency to make up answers rather than leave gaps leads to what we call AI hallucinations. It's essential to be aware of these cutoff dates and approach AI answers critically. Imagine asking an AI about a recent medical breakthrough that occurred after its training cutoff. The AI might respond with an explanation that seems detailed and authoritative, yet it's based on outdated or unrelated information. Or if you request a citation, the AI might generate a source that sounds legitimate but doesn't exist. These responses can sound reliable, but they're actually fabrications. To catch AI hallucinations, it's important to cross-check information with reliable sources. If something seems unusually specific or feels off, verify it independently. Asking follow-up questions can also help you identify if the AI is confidently presenting information it doesn't know. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, it's always wise to approach its responses with a critical eye and double-check its facts. AI hallucinations remind us that while AI can be incredibly helpful, it's not infallible. By being mindful of its limitations and training cutoffs, you can use AI effectively without relying on it for absolute accuracy. If you found this video helpful in understanding AI hallucinations, please hit the like and follow button for more insights into AI and technology. Thanks for watching.